Hey FineGap viewers, welcome to another video of Learn Advanced ChatGPT course, and in this video we will get help from ChatGPT in building a website. We will assume that we are building a company and we need help from ChatGPT in various process. So website building is the part of our process when you're building your own company. So in this video we will ask ChatGPT to give us content for a website, to write HTML code for our website, and even to build a contact form for our website. So in the last, we will also ask ChatGPT that what are security risks in our contact form. So without any delay, let's start. Okay, first of all, I will provide a context again, like I'm building a content agency for soccer in United States and Canada. You have to help me to write content for the homepage of my website that I want to develop. So first of all, provide me content of the homepage in the form of HTML. Let me press enter. So here was my prompt, and you can see that it is providing me the content of my homepage, about page, our services, and contact us. You can see that it is also provide me a contact form here, and in the last it have provided me this HTML. So you can see that we can get HTML for our website. Okay, now let me type here another thing. For example, make this HTML fully SEO optimized. Let me press enter again. And friends, now you can see that before this, ChatGPT do not add this type of stuff like description, keywords, author, and but now you can see that because I have asked ChatGPT to write SEO friendly page for me, so it is also providing me SEO friendly page here. Let me scroll down, and this is the content of our HTML. Obviously, the people who know SEO and who are also watching this video, they know that this stuff is very important from SEO point of view. Also, you can see that it is also provides some backlinks. I know that it have provided us with the contact form, but let me again type here, write HTML code for my contact form that will get user favorite color from red, green, and pink. Also their name, email, and their message. So provide me with the HTML code. So let's see what it will reply with us. So friends, here you can see that now it have create us a form for us, and the first field is for name, for email, for our favorite color, a select field, and another text area field to get message from the user. So all these things were mentioned in our prompt, and as it is, ChatGPT have provided us. Now, for example, I also want to display some content on my contact us page. Okay, for example, I want to display some content on this contact us page that you have created for me. So keep in mind my niche, which is soccer, and write SEO friendly content for my contact us page. Also keep in mind that I am targeting USA and UK, for example. Let me press enter, and friends, now you will see that it is providing me the same page with the SEO friendly content like keywords, description, and author. And here you can see that thank you for interest in soccer content agency. At your soccer content agency, we are passionate about delivering. So hey friends, here you can see that. And in the last, let me ask ChatGPT that what are security risks in our HTML form. So let me type here. Okay, that's great. Now what are possible security risks that HTML form you provided to me? Can you explain that? Let me press enter. Okay friends, Now here you can see that it have provided me with the HTML form, but now it is also helping me to tell that what security risks can occur in my security form, like cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, SQL injection, and form spoofing, data breaches. So 5 security risks it have mentioned me. Obviously we can get more help that what steps we can take to secure our form from these security threats. So friends, this was the video that how you can get help from ChatGPT to write code, write HTML code, how it can help you to identify security risk in your website, and how you can get help from ChatGPT in content creation. Obviously, Google is discouraging the websites that are using AI content, so you have to be very smart while using AI content. Don't directly copy and text from ChatGPT and paste that in your website and think that your website will be ranked. No, Google is discouraging this. So obviously, you can get help, get different points from ChatGPT. For example, you are researching on a topic, you can get help, you can research using ChatGPT, but I recommend you to don't just copy and paste content from ChatGPT on your website. So friends, if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.